Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 14 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's begin with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then we can enter the Play Store. Be aware that you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, you have to do it right now before entering the Play Store, or you can do it after, but you have to do it. You can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. Alright, so let's finally enter the Play Store, and now all we have to do is to tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is your account, or our account, let's say. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device, and now you've got two different ways of entering the updates. Here in this overview section, we've got this updates available option. We can simply tap on it and we will be transferred to the section where you can check the updates. And to be honest, this is the best way, the best option to enter if you wish to update only one of those apps or update all at the same time. You can just tap on update all or find the app and then tap on update. The second way is to go to manage instead of overview, and here tap on updates available. And as you can see, we've got the same list of the same apps, so basically this is the same, but here you can mark more apps. Instead of tapping on update, you can simply choose specific apps and then tap on update icon in the right upper corner, and no update icon. And now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.